Hey, what's up guys? Do you want to know where the dive shops in Metro Manila are located and what brand and equipment they carry? Then this video is for you. Welcome to the Soul of Atlantis. I am Vlad, and weekly I upload videos related to diving events, gear, cool techs, and trend. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And don't forget to click the bell button below so you'll get notified if there are new uploads. Recently, I did an interview with the dive shops who participated in the 2019 Dive Resort Travel Show. Let's go check them out. Hi, Gage. Hi, Alpi. Hello.
Did you register online po?
Pre-register kami for
Yes, that 100 pesos.
100 first.
100 pesos po kayo.
Let's check out the different dive shops here. Guys, this is Torben. He's the owner of Pacifica Dive Shop in Makati. They have the shop in Makati. Torben, can you-
Chino, Roces, corner Don Bosco.
Yes, that's the
Open
place.
7 days a week.
Perfect. Saturday, Sunday, you can need something to fix, services, and all the different products. They have Scuba Pro. They got
Gull, power compressors, sea life, Isota underwater housings, and lots of other stuff.
cool. I'll be collaborating with Torben maybe soon to for you guys to know more about the projects they have in Pacifica.
Rock and roll.
Yeah. Hi guys, we are in the Nautilus booth in Megamall. So we have Brian here from Nautilus Dive Shop. Where's your shop located?
Our shop is in Makati. It's in 235 Salcedo Street, Makati
Salcedo
City.
Street,
Yeah.
Makati City. And any landmark na to remember
Landmark.
going there?
It's beside the mini stop.
Mini stop.
Mini stop
Yeah,
from Salcedo
yeah.
Street. Yeah.
And then, how long has been Nautilus in operation?
We've been in operation for more than 5 years.
For 5 years.
Yeah.
Cool, cool. And then, what products do you carry?
We carry OMS, Poseidon, Sherwood, and Pro Blue,
Pro
and
Blue?
other brands, other famous brands.
Are these also focused scuba diving, or you do also do like free diving equipment?
We also have some free diving equipment. Pro Blue has a lot of free diving equipment.
Oh, okay, cool, cool. So, I'd like to invite our other viewers to visit your store.
Please come and visit us at Nautilus at Makati City. Thank you.
All right, thanks. Okay guys, nandito kami sa booth ng Aquaventure White Tip Dive Supply. So I'm here with Jacob.
Hi.
Okay. Ayan. Jacob, so saan located ng inyong shop?
We are located in Makati po, in Kamagong Corner Sacred Heart po.
Corner
Yes,
Sacred
sir.
Heart. And then, what time are you guys open?
We are open every weekdays 9 to 8 p.m. and on weekends Saturday 9 to 4 lang po.
94.
Yes, yes,
Ayan. So if you want to visit the place. And then, I know you guys carry different brands, ano?
Yes, sir. We do po.
So what brands do you carry?
We carry Sunto, Aqualang, Apex, and Coltree po for our compressor po.
Oh,
Yes.
quality compressor. And you do servicing?
We do servicing for regulators for Aqualang only and Apex. And for our compressor, Coltree, we do servicing also. And for our Sunto, yeah, we are the only in the Philippines who service the Sunto dive computers.
Ayan guys, so if you have your Suto computers, ano,
Yes.
only take them to Aquaventure
Yes.
White Tip sa Makati. Kasi yung ibang shop ng Sunto, they
Yes,
don't
They don't fix the dive
fix the
computer.
dive computers. Yeah, specific sila for dive computers.
Yes, po.
And you also do tanks, right?
Yes, sir. We do hydro test,
Yeah.
interior cleaning, and yeah. Yun po. Tank
Okay.
removal. Yan.
All right, thanks,
Thank you,
Jacob.
sir.
Thank you.
po.
Hi, good morning. So we are here at the DIVER'sPOINT company and one of the owners, Ellen. Ayan. Hi, Ellen. Yeah, we are at the DRT 2019 in Megamall.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi, Cage.
This is my regular height. I'm going.
Oh, going down, down,
transformer
down.
ulit.
Okay, so Ellen, how long has been DIVER'sPOINT operating?
We've been operating for the past 15 years.
15
We're gonna
years.
celebrate our 15th anniversary. This coming October.
Yeah.
October 8.
And then,
So we have a lot of some surprises in
yeah,
store.
abangan
for
natin
everyone.
yan. Okay, so you have different shops, di ba?
Yeah, I have one in Manila, Makati, and in Cebu. DIVER'SPOINT, lahat. Marina.
Where are they located?
For Makati, it's in Kamagong.
Kamagong,
Then
okay.
Cebu, it's very near Ayala. Makikita, nasa ano namin, website.
Sa website. So you check out the website. So what's your website?
Diverspoint.net. Or you just like us in Facebook.
Or like them at
and
Facebook.
Instagram,
Yan.
DIVERSPOINT.
So we got DIVER'sPOINT. There. Yeah. And they
thank
carry
you.
different brands. They have, of course, on the background, you can see
Our main line is Busha
Usha.
for free diving and scuba diving. We also carry the IST line for also scuba, free dive, swimming.
Yan. So if you're
All
looking for all
recreational,
different-
technical, we also have for dolphin tech. For backplate, we have OxyCheck. And now we have this new Crest line of dive computers. Affordable at 11,500. We also sell that now, starting this September.
Alright, abangan natin yan.
Yan.
Alright guys, thank you very much, Ellen. And it's
Thank
great
you.
seeing you.
Yeah, nice seeing
Yeah,
you again.
it's been a while. Been busy. Okay, bye. See you.
So what are we gonna win here?
Hi guys, we are Alfie from Acacia.
So which one?
We're in DRT Megatrade Hall.
Walk in for this.
Walk-in. Walk-in lang.
Yeah.
Just walk in?
Kailan mag-o-open ng ang
Soon.
soon?
Yeah, soon.
Ayan.
No date yet, but very soon.
Ayan, so guys, pag nag-open si Acacia, soon to be called Solitude.
Solitude, Acacia.
Acacia. Yan. So Alfie's the guy to look for.
Yes.
From the guys from Casa Escondida. Guys, say hi. Yan. Casa Escondida is one of the nicest resort in Manila. Ayan. So guys, if you have time, visit the Casa Escondida. Thanks. Yan. guys, we're at the booth of Squires and Bingham Sports, and I'm here with the owner. Hi, Gutsy.
How you doing?
Hey,
Thanks for dropping by.
can you tell us something about your shop and how long have the shop been?
Well, we've been around since 2012. We cater to like mostly higher end products for diving and marine and inspired lifestyle. So we have photo equipment. We have
Which brands do you carry?
Rather than a dive shop, I like to consider myself a lifestyle shop.
A lifestyle. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Cool. So where's your shop located?
Our shop's located in 2nd Avenue in BGC. Squires Bingham Sports at the Sapphire Residences.
It's near the Burgos.
Near Burgos Circle.
Burgos Circle. Okay,
Yeah.
guys. So Burgos Circle's the
Yeah,
landmark.
we carry
there.
Nauticam, Fantasy, Subal, Dive System, Ratio. Apparel-wise, we have Neptunic, Chrono. We carry Hex Aquatics, wetsuits, shark skin as well.
Well, what's your operation time in the shop? What time are you guys open?
We're
these
open
days?
from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m.
8 p.m.
Yeah, Mondays through Saturdays.
Cool. And then I heard
Even
you guys,
the Lord rested on Sunday.
and I heard you guys have happy hour there from time to time,
Oh
right?
yeah, we have a sub-zero fridge there.
Cool. All right. Nice talking to you, Gutsy.
Nice seeing you at the show,
Yeah.
and we'll catch you at the show next year again.
Yeah, we'll go back and try to visit the shop in near Burgos Circle, Squires and Bingham Sports.
Cool. Thank you.
We are at the Aquamundo booth. This Aquamundo is a local brand in Manila, Philippines.
For my aura pictures and videos.
Yes, correct. And the battery indicator as well. You can see it. And it burns about, at least maximum it burns about an hour and 50 minutes. But usually you can use it for an hour and a half. And the high mode, the turbo is the maximum. The high mode is gonna run about 2 hours. Still less than 2 hours. And the
I listed down the information of the different dive shops in the description below. And on my next video, I'll be showing you guys some of the products that were on exhibit. I hope you found some value from this video, and if you have some comments or questions, feel free to drop by at the comment section below. That's all guys, thanks for watching, and always remember, save our oceans, protect our reefs, and dive safe. See you again next time.